Bales and I discovered. Cool. It's all here. There's some right there. Right here. That's cool. Right there. Look at that. It's a little flower. It's all white. Here's more of it here. Coming up. Coming up almost like little mushrooms. That's cool. And then it has, I don't know, the flowers. It has these tiny, tiny little seeds. And this is a plant that's coming up, and it is flowering, but it's not green at all. It's kind of ghostly, and because it doesn't have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment, the green pigment in leaves that essentially, in short, changes sunlight energy and converts carbon dioxide and water into sugars. This plant doesn't need to do that. It can't photosynthesize. It's just ghostly white because it's a parasite on the other trees that are around here. It taps into the roots and gets all the moisture it needs. It's very fleshy and moist, and it gets all the sugars that it needs from the trees too. So it is sapping the energy, so it's a saprophyte from the other trees. But they call this smoker's pipe. So you see how it's kind of like that one is kind of like maybe like a pipe coming up there and going up like that. And these flowers are pollinated by ants primarily, and the seeds are dispersed by ants, and the seeds are tiny, tiny, small. The ants carry those seeds deep into their underground tunnels where the seeds will germinate, and they're that much closer to the roots where this plant is surviving off of. It's really cool. But this is almost like a smoker's pipe layer. Look at this cool stuff. One's right there. And the more you look, the more you see that they're all around. Very cool. Yeah, love it. Ooh, look at these. Some freshies up here. Cool. I like it. Look at, even though, let's just get a close-up on this. We'll end by just looking at that. Look at that. Kind of cool. Kind of a cool little flower.